Alright, if you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to join the Edopro tournament, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's change some things on Edopro. Alright, so you got Edopro. It's gonna look pretty small. Like, look how small that is. So first thing you should do is go over here where the settings is, and it's the scale. Default is 100. I go 150. You could change it to wherever to enlarge the text here. Before I had to go into settings and change the resolution, but you could just go to scale and switch to scale, increase it to wherever. Some people go 200 or 125, 120, doesn't matter. And here you got your settings. I just leave all this. I change this. You can change it to green or whatever. I looked at all of this and I like the default better. I turn off the music and let's get into Discord integration. Okay, this has to be checked off. You have to have the actual app in order to send invites, because you host it, put a password, put whatever. Okay, you ready up? You go to your Discord friend, and now you can invite them into an Edopro, but they have to have the app. They have to have the app in order for the Discord invite to work. What's next? Changing your name. So you go to servers, you put in whatever, and then you hit apply and reload, and that will save it. And then your decks. Your deck, you have your whatever here, your ban list, your decks. It has all the structured decks. Well, some of it. You could save it, you could rename it, shuffle it, sort it, clear it. If you clear and save, it will delete everything. And then you have your category, your monster, spell traps. What? You gotta pick that. There you go. For example, then you go 1. Oh, no. Never mind. 4. Your banned or limited, attack, defense, search what card you want. Let's just clear this whole thing. Dark Magician, you have all that. You go to attack, defense, the alternate formats, anime, all that. So you make your deck, you go ban list, you name it, you search it up. Oh, for example, let's just take these out. What was that? Let's go lightning storm. Lightning storm. Instead of dragging it over here, you can right click, left click, real quick. just like that. Okay, and then you go to servers, you have your EU casual, competitive, West casual, West competitive. All right, and you can switch these. You could, whoa, you can move these. Cards allowed if you want to filter anything out. Show lock rooms, started rooms, forbidden lists. But if you move these and then you save it, you go back, oh, refresh, then you have to move it back again, or it moves back. But then let's say you duel somebody, you duel, the duel's over, and then you save the replay. You name the replay, whatever, you save it. For example, let me just surrender here. You go back to replays. You can watch that, and then you can export the deck. For example, I versed Lord M2A with a Zodiac. Now you could load it up. You see what happened. You know, you pause it, get to know what was happening. Play, swap, step by step, previous. I'm just gonna exit that. You load or import deck. So exit, go to decks. Where was that one? Right here. So I'll be at the very end. And this is his deck right here. I'm gonna sort it out. So you can see other people's decks. It will just be saved under the replay. You could always edit it or rename it, whatever, and then save as, and that will be. And that's it. Make sure you scale that down. Discord, change your name, your deck, server, replay, import deck. That's about it. Sub if you liked it, like if you subbed it. See you guys.